Hey, it's Giifti from Giifti Hair Salon. If you love the look of silk press but want more fullness and length, Kinky straight bundles are a perfect solution. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I install and blend the Kinky straight bundle so they look completely natural with the textured hair. This texture mimics the look of a natural blown out or silk press, making it perfect for women with 4A, 4C hair who wants volume while still keeping that natural finish. In this tutorial, I show you how the Kinky straight bundle looks in the natural blown out texture, how it's going to be looking when you silk press it for a sleek finish look, my sew-in install technique, and how to blend the natural hair seamlessly with the extensions. This texture is so perfect if you want that natural style without the hair looking overly silky or artificial. Shop Giifti Hair Silky Straight Bundles for a natural and seamless finish. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and I will definitely respond back to it.